Salcido here. I'm wanting to talk today about cleaning guns and especially about kind of the bane of cleaning guns. So you've got the right rod. It's a coated rod. You've got the best attachments that you can buy from whoever it is. And now you've figured out that Eric Cortina and other bench rest guys are telling you that you need to clean your gun every time you shoot it, just like when you use the bathroom, right? Okay, well, the problem with that is a lot of times the tools themselves that we're using that we think are helping us sometimes can be creating quite a problem. And you end up showing up to your gunsmith and your gunsmith says, hey, whatever you're doing, stop doing it. You're beating up the crown. There's all these scratch marks up and down your barrel. I can obviously tell you're marring them. You say, hey, I'm using brass stuff and I'm using the best, products and I'm being really careful and I got a bore guide. That's really not the problem. What the problem is the junction between your gun cleaning rod and this kind of break edge right here after the threading on your tools. So whatever attachments you have, you want to make sure that those attachments don't have a step in there at all. And I'm going to move the camera angle here, and hopefully you can see this, but I have an attachment here. This is the way I do mine. So if you look at it, the junction in here is pretty even. So how did I get that like that? Well, the way I did it was I used, as you can see, I've got a drill set up. I'll move my camera angle here so you can see the rig, but I've got a drill set up on one end, and I have my whatever rod you use, my tipped end inside the vise, and of course this spins, so it'll unscrew one way and it'll tighten the other way. So you want to make sure that you are spinning your drill the right direction. And what I do is I use a patch around whatever tool I'm going to clean up or make sure that it matches with my rod. And then I use a flat file. You can use probably crocus cloth or something. I like to use a flat file just because it does a pretty good job of evening everything out, and I can see exactly where I'm putting pressure. So I'm not taking anything off of the rod. I'm just matching the tool itself or the junction where they come together. And I'll just demonstrate this really quickly so you can see what that looks like, okay? So I'm gonna start my drill spinning, and then I'm just gonna lay my file on there, and I'm gonna look to see when this is clean, where both surfaces match. And it might take a little bit, be patient. This is hard material. And so you can see now that this is a pretty clean surface now. So let me kind of zoom in on that. Hopefully you can see that there. Okay, so now there's no step. When you feel that, and of course this one's already been done, so it's quite a bit quicker than like if you just started, a few minutes ago. It might take you, if I remember, it took me like 3 to 5 minutes to do each one of the tools. And it's something that's gonna allow you to have peace of mind that there's nothing's gonna be, chipping up that really important crown job that you just got finished paying for from your $500 or $1,000 barrel. And just doing this will allow you to eliminate most of the issues that you'll have with the different tools and making sure that they're matched to that particular rod. So you may even want to mark the rod that's matched to the 6.5 tools or your 6mm tools or your 5.56 tools, 308 tools, whatever those are. Try to match your rod to those actual tools. I keep mine all in one box, so no matter what it is, even the brushes themselves, the brushes do have a step in them as well. So you're gonna wanna make sure that brush, if it's going out the end of that barrel, which most of the time they are, honestly, we're in a hurry. Maybe we have 2 or 3 guns we're cleaning when we get home from the range. And it's really important, and I think it'll help you in the long run. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it makes you shoot tighter, more accurate groups and gives you peace of mind that you're not beating up a very important part of your toolkit. Well, have a great day. Thanks for watching.